Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite a while since I've uploaded and all my fans have been going crazy. Kim, where's the new content? When am I going to get a new video? It's just been absolute mayhem over here. And I've just been planning for my next one. So this is a big one, guys. Oh, sorry about that noise. This is a big one. How to fall asleep. Basically, if you're like me and have crippling anxiety and think about all the bad things that you've ever done or said before you go to sleep, you're not alone, babes. And what I do to fall asleep is, well, basically, I don't know about you guys, but I always try and fall asleep on my side, but then the only way that I can fall asleep properly is when I'm lying on my back. And I know this is going to sound crazy, but if I have my hands in my pants, not like in a weird way or anything, but just like so that the elastic is like holding my hands in place, that's it. That's how I get to sleep. But another trick that might be a little bit more universal, and is a little bit more just like it could work wherever you're lying, maybe, is like sometimes I find that my eyes are crunched too shut when I'm trying to fall asleep. What you gotta do is just like relax your eyes, and then like the little twinkle, like the little like glitter stuff, or what do you call it? It's just like white noise kind of stuff, like real vague white noise that you can see there behind your eyes. If you try and like look deep into that, how do I describe this? If you close your eyes and look at all the like little sparkly things, except relax your eyes and just like look as far deep into the sparkles as you can, it just like, then you just go to sleep. And like I always try and do it, and I like trick myself. I don't know. I'm like, I'm not going to be able to trick myself tonight. I know what I'm doing, and I know that I'm looking at these sparkles. I'm not going to fall asleep doing this. But then next minute, I'm tossing around in the middle of the night, and I'd fallen asleep. So let me know in the comments down below if that works for you guys. Just one of my hot tips and tricks. But yeah, probably see you in a couple years for my next video. Bye.